Hello everyone. Let's learn about basic grammar today. First, noun. Noun is a word that is used to identify a person or a thing or a place. This is also called common noun. Let's see some examples. For a person like Preeti, Amit, etc. For a thing like sand, chair, bus, etc. For a place like Dubai, London, etc. But if we have to name a particular one specifically, that is called proper noun. Just like a mountain is common noun, but the Mount Everest is proper noun. Number 2 is pronoun. It is a word that is used instead of a noun and also to refer a noun that has already been mentioned. Just like I, my, mine, he, his, she, her, our, ours, your, they, it, their, etc. These are some of the pronouns. Let's see some example also. Like Ram is a tall boy. He is good at basketball. Here, he is pronoun that's given for Ram. Third one is adjective. Adjective describes the quality of a noun or a pronoun. Some of its examples are like good, bad, active, beautiful, hungry, etc. For example, he is a good guy. Here, good is adjective that describes him, that guy. Fourth one, verb. A verb is the word that shows or describes a state or an action. Like some of the verbs are go, went, read, laugh, eat, ate, run, dance, jump, etc. For example, they eat pizza, Hari reads a book, Anu ran very fast. Here eat, reads, ran are verb. Number 5, adverb. Adverb is a word that better describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. These adverbs normally answer such questions like where, how, when, why, etc. Let's see some examples. How does she swim? She swims well. He returned his home happily. She eats slowly. Here, well, happily, and slowly are adverb that describes a verb or an adjective. Number 6 is preposition. It is a word that is used before a noun or a pronoun to show its time, direction, relationship between two or more people, places, or thing. Some of the prepositions are to, in, on, with, of, about, by, at, for, across, along, within, in spite of, beside, in order to, up, below, etc. An example, he jumped in the river. Book is on the table. Meet me at 10 a.m. Here, in, on, at are the prepositions. Number 7, conjunction. It is used to connect the sentences or some clauses like and, or, but, since, because, if, for, till, except, etc. These are some of the conjunctions. For example, He is able to read and write. She loves pizza, but she hates tomatoes. Either sit here or leave. In those examples, and, but, or are conjunctions. Number 8. Interjection. These are the words that express the feeling or sudden emotions. Just like, oh, thanks, ouch, oops, dang. Check our next question and answer video to test your grammar. Bye.